Project ng From the Living sa Carmona, Cavite. Tara, silipin natin ito. So, ito ay design ng Bacongan Architecture. So, in collaboration with them, kami ang nag-execute ng kanilang design and planning. So, from here, makikita nyo ang kanilang TV wall area. So, napaka-detailed and well-planned lahat ng design nila architect. And of course, with the help of our client, kung ano talaga yung gusto nilang ma-achieve with the dimensions and with the finishing of this project. We just put yung bagong upholstery for the sofa. Ito yung dati na nilang sofa. So, we just reuse it. Sa flooring, sinag-change din sila client para mas lalong maging homey and more, parang, malamig yung feeling dito sa loob ng bahay. So, ceiling lights were also added. Design nila architect. Kaya naman natin i-feel itong bagong upholstered na sofa. Nice. So, look at this EU stone. Yan. Ito, idea talaga ng client. So, maganda. Yan. One of the best thing na maganda dito while you're having your dinner, your lunch, your breakfast is that there's a view that parang ang nasa dagat every day. So having a simple dinner or elegant gathering here is very nice and alam mo na, nakaka-happy ng feeling. We also did this dining chairs but we changed lang yung tempered glass. So the table was already purchased by the owner. So we just reused and revarnished it. So, sobrang galing ng pagkaka-execute and planning nila Architect Bacongan. So, this area, he was able to maximize the space and put this accent wall para maging display area din kung ano mga important things or just a simple display dito. And sa lower corner of this house. We are very happy to work with our clients, lalo na they are very open with the suggestions or adjustments, and of course with the budget to make this project a successful one, and also with our design group, the Bacoan Architecture, kasi they really help us to achieve this project na maging mas maayos and well executed lahat ng nasa plan. So the tabletop existing na we just refurbished, and this idea we suggested by our dear client na maglagay pa tayo ng ganito. So for extra storage, anything that they can put here and display. So yeah, pwede dito mauwan. So ito, extra storage. Serves as a living room or a space where you can just relax and have your alone time. Kunyari malayo ka sa ibang tao, so may alone time ka dito. Itong painting yan. Sila kaya na naghanap talaga ng magaling na painter. So, advertise na lang kasi it's Maricar Molina. Shot yata ito ni client, and then pinaint ni Ma with texture. So, textured painting. So, going upstairs, tara, silipin natin ang second floor. So, yan. Lagay nila client. I really love the idea of Architect Bacoan to make this wall na ganito. Photo wall area as design. So, all the memories, framed pictures, nandito siya. Let's go to the master's bedroom. Pasok sa master's, this chest-type drawer serves lahat ng kailangan itagong mga damit nandito na. So, wala tayo also na naka-hanger again kasi meron silang separate area for that. So, lahat naman nandito are yung mga importante, yung mga material, mga gamit ng client. Minimalist living lang talaga tayo. Malinis, masarap sa mata, sa paningin natin lahat. Even the color of the wall. So we customized this queen size bed. So lahat to gawa na from the living. If you have any design na gusto nyo ma-achieve or gawin, kaya-kaya natin yan. It suits 8 inches foam. So the design, na-achieve naman natin. On the headboard area, the architect suggests to use mixed media supply materials like UPVC board and gold trim, and also on this part, they also incorporate this lighting. Two-seater sofa, so ito customized by From the Living. It is made of solid wood as well, and of course, standard foam. And the fabric is, ano talaga siya, maganda. Check natin ang room 1. So, welcome. Ito po ang ating girls room. So, the idea is very girly. At talaga namang si client ang namili ng lalagyan sa wall. So, ito. Lahat to may extra storage area. You can see, napaka-minimalist living lang. Wala tayong masyadong gamit, walang wardrobe na malaki. So, magtataka kayo saan nakalagay yung gamit nila, ma'am. Andito po sila lahat. So, they have a separate room where they can hang yung mga clothes nila na mahaba or malaki. So, hindi siya incorporated dito sa design. Area, parang prinsesa ka dito, diba? Sa taas naman, andyan yung aircon. So, the design was to conceal the aircon. So, open mo lang yan. So, everything will, ano na, malalamigin na itong buong room natin. So, check natin yung room 2. Ito yung room ni Sir Don. So, makita nyo dito sa design, they put this blue color, and of course, parang siyang pang-basketball player na room. So, everything we did, customized, the wallpaper, and then this sofa, day bed, and with storages. So, dito rin yung mga gamit po ni client. So, wala rin siyang wardrobe, but everything na gamit nila, na mga gamit, nandito lang sa loob. So, sa design nila, Architect Bacongan, may table, and then, extra storage. So, ito. Tayo sa Tagaytay. So, dito talaga yung hangout area nila kaya. Sabi ko nga kanina, malapit siya sa Tagaytay. So, yung hangin is really, masarap kasi malamig. Pagkakit dito, makikita niyo po ang painting. So, this is the textured wall area. So, this comes with pattern wall. So, eto, the previous design supposedly, it will be fabric design or acoustic wall. So, ito na yung ginawa natin in collaboration with the client kasi nga gusto nila yung hindi mahirap i-maintain. So, this is our TV wall area. Natin. Okay. And everything was customized by Proudly Today. Like the flat box. You can order this sa amin. Murang-mura lang. Okay. So the sofa, the upholstery lang, nagpagawa lang sa atin si client na nalalabahan na sofa cover. So we also customize it. And this part, dito sa balcony po, naglagay po pa sila ng PVC deck. Kasi yung tiles dito dati, syempre, pag tumatagal na yung house, medyo di na natin kayang paputiin pa siya. So, pinalagyan na lang po sa ito. And, a tempered glass, according to the design. This part, yung pagdali natin. Go to guest room number 1. So, ayan. Extra room if madaming guests sila kain. Kasi alam ko madami silang family that will visit them from the province. So another day bed with extra storages. So, same lang din ang mga rooms yung design, but the colors, yun lang yung nabako. Pero lahat, may mga let's go to bedroom guest number 2. So the layout and the design, pareho lang. Even the color, kung ano yung nandun, ganun din na dito. So, ang difference lang natin doon, the sofa bed doon is day bed. Here, ito yung ano natin, customized by From the Living, our sofa bed. So, ganito siya. And then, so, extra bed na siya. I think this is twin size sofa bed. So, kaya natin ng girls. Okay. So, yun. Nakita na natin yung interior na outcome yung ginawa natin. So, check naman natin yung outside. Watching our today's video for this project in Cavite. We hope you like it. And please like and subscribe here on our YouTube channel. And if you're looking for a contractor, don't hesitate to message us on our Facebook page, From the Living PH. Bye!